Hello and welcome to our video on sustainable weight loss for a better, healthier you. A comprehensive guide to no crash dieting. In this video, we will be exploring the science behind weight loss and provide you with practical tips and advice to help you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Losing weight can be a challenging and overwhelming journey, especially with all the fad diets and quick-fix weight loss solutions that are widely available. However, the key to successful weight loss is not about drastic and restrictive diets, but rather about making lifestyle changes that you can sustain for the long term. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of developing a healthy mindset, building a nutritious meal plan, and incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. We will also be exploring ways to overcome plateaus and stay motivated, so that you can reach your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy weight for life. So, if you're ready to start your journey towards a healthier and happier you, grab a notebook and let's get started. Understanding the weight loss process. Welcome back. Now that we have set the foundation for sustainable weight loss, it's time to delve deeper into the weight loss process itself. In order to effectively and sustainably lose weight, it is important to have a good understanding of how the body loses weight. First, it is important to understand that weight loss is simply a matter of burning more calories than you consume. This calorie deficit can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. When you consume fewer calories than your body needs, it will begin to use stored fat as energy, leading to weight loss. It is also important to understand that weight loss is not a linear process. There will be ups and downs along the way, and sometimes the scale may not budge for a while. This is normal, and it is important to stay focused on your long-term goals and not get discouraged by short-term setbacks. Another key aspect of understanding the weight loss process is recognizing that everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. This is why it is important to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Some people may find that a high-protein diet helps them lose weight, while others may find that a low-carb diet works best for them. In addition to diet, physical activity plays a crucial role in the weight loss process. Exercise helps to increase your metabolism, burn calories, and build muscle, all of which contribute to weight loss. Whether it's through strength training, cardio, or a combination of both, finding an exercise routine that you enjoy and can stick to is key to sustained weight loss. In conclusion, understanding the weight loss process is crucial to achieving your weight loss goals. By combining a calorie-controlled diet with regular physical activity, you can create a calorie deficit and achieve sustainable weight loss. Remember to listen to your body, stay motivated, and stay focused on your long-term goals. The benefits of slow and steady weight loss. In today's society, people are often drawn to quick weight loss solutions, such as crash diets and fad diets. However, these methods are not only unsustainable, but they can also be harmful to your health. Slow and steady weight loss, on the other hand, is a much safer and more sustainable approach to reaching your weight loss goals. So, what are the benefits of slow and steady weight loss? First, it helps prevent the loss of muscle mass. When you lose weight too quickly, your body tends to break down muscle tissue instead of fat, which can lead to a slower metabolism. Second, slow and steady weight loss promotes a healthier relationship with food. When you lose weight gradually, you have the time to learn about healthy eating habits and make a lifestyle change that is sustainable in the long term. This can help you avoid the yo-yo dieting cycle and the guilt that often comes with it. Third, slow and steady weight loss can improve your overall health. By losing weight gradually, you give your body time to adjust to the changes and prevent any adverse effects on your health. This can lead to a reduction in risk factors for chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. In conclusion, slow and steady weight loss may not be as glamorous as quick weight loss solutions, but it offers numerous benefits to your health and overall well-being. By taking a slow and steady approach, you can reach your weight loss goals in a safe and sustainable way. Developing a healthy mindset for weight loss. Para perder peso de forma sustentável, é importante ter uma mentalidade saudável. A mentalidade correta é a chave para o sucesso a longo prazo na perda de peso. Aqui estão algumas dicas para ajudá-lo a desenvolver uma mentalidade saudável para a perda de peso. Enfoque no processo, não apenas nos resultados. É fácil ficar preso em quantos quilos você quer perder, mas é importante se concentrar no processo de perda de peso, incluindo escalas alimentares saudáveis e atividade física regular. Tenha pensamentos positivos. Enfatize o que você ganhou ao perder peso, vez do que esta perdendo. Lembrar-se de que a perda de peso é uma jornada de saúde, e não apenas uma questão estética. Seja paciente consigo mesmo. A perda de peso saudável leva tempo, e é importante se dar tempo para chegar aos seus objetivos. Evite-se comparar com outras pessoas e se permita progredir ao seu próprio ritmo. Encontre suporte positivo. Seja amigos ou uma comunidade online. Encontre pessoas que o apoiem e o motivem a longo prazo. Lembre-se de que mudar hábitos e mentalidades leva tempo e paciência. Mantenha-se positivo e concentrar-se no processo. E voce estar bem no caminho para uma mentalidade saudável para a perda de peso. Building a healthy meal plan. A healthy meal plan is a critical component of sustainable weight loss. Crash diets and extreme caloric restriction can lead to short-term weight loss, but they are often unsustainable and can have negative health consequences. To lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way, it's important to focus on building a well-balanced meal plan that provides all the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. The first step in building a healthy meal plan is to understand the macronutrients and micronutrients your body needs. Macronutrients include protein, carbohydrates, and fat, while micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. To build a healthy meal plan, aim for a balance of macronutrients and micronutrients that meets your individual needs. Next, focus on incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense whole foods into your meal plan. Whole foods are unprocessed or minimally processed and contain more nutrients and fiber compared to processed foods. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meal plan. It's also important to pay attention to portion sizes. Overconsumption of any type of food, even healthy food, can lead to weight gain. Use a food scale or measuring cups to ensure that you're eating appropriate portion sizes. Incorporating healthy meal planning habits into your lifestyle can take time, but with patience and practice, you can achieve sustainable weight loss and improved overall health. Additionally, consider seeking the advice of a registered dietitian or a certified nutritionist to help create a personalized meal plan that meets your unique nutritional needs and health goals. The importance of physical activity in weight loss. Exercise plays a crucial role in weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight. Not only does it help you burn calories, but it also helps you build muscle, which in turn burns more calories even when you're not working out. Regular physical activity can also help you sleep better, reduce stress, improve your mood, and boost your self-esteem, all of which can make sticking to your weight loss goals easier. There are many different types of physical activity you can choose from, so it's important to find something that you enjoy and that fits into your lifestyle. Some people prefer high-intensity workouts like running or cycling, while others prefer lower-impact activities like yoga or Pilates. No matter what type of exercise you choose, the key is to do it regularly and make it a part of your routine. When starting out, it's important to begin with a moderate intensity and gradually increase as you become more fit. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week, or even better, aim for 60 minutes. You can break this up into shorter sessions of 10 to 15 minutes throughout the day if that's easier for you. If you have any medical conditions or concerns, be sure to talk to your doctor before starting a new exercise program. They can help you determine the best type of exercise for your needs and provide guidance on how to progress safely. Incorporating physical activity into your weight loss journey is an essential part of a healthy, sustainable approach to weight loss. By making it a priority and making it enjoyable, you'll be more likely to stick with it and see results in the long run. Overcoming plateaus and staying motivated. Losing weight is a journey and it is common to encounter obstacles along the way. One such obstacle is reaching a weight loss plateau, where progress seems to come to a halt. This can be discouraging, but it is important to remember that it is a normal part of the weight loss process. In order to overcome plateaus, it is important to understand why they occur and what you can do to overcome them. The main reason for weight loss plateaus is that your body adjusts to the changes you are making. As you lose weight, your metabolism slows down and your body needs fewer calories to maintain its weight. To overcome this, you can try adjusting your calorie intake and increasing your physical activity level. Incorporating variety into your diet can also help you overcome plateaus. Try new foods and new recipes to keep things interesting and to prevent boredom. Staying motivated can also be a challenge, but there are several things you can do to keep yourself motivated. Setting realistic and achievable goals, tracking your progress, and rewarding yourself for your achievements are all effective ways to stay motivated. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can also help you stay on track. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. The key is to stay consistent, stay positive, and stay committed to your goals. With time and effort, you will reach your desired weight and maintain a healthier lifestyle. So, we have come to the end of this comprehensive guide to sustainable weight loss without crash diets. We hope you have learned about the importance of a healthy mindset, building a nutritious meal plan, incorporating physical activity, and overcoming plateaus to stay motivated. Now it's time for you to take action. We encourage you to start small and be patient with yourself. Remember, slow and steady weight loss is better for your overall health and more likely to be sustained in the long term. Make a plan and stick to it. Write down your goals and track your progress. Surround yourself with a supportive community of friends, family, or online support groups. And most importantly, don't give up. Weight loss can be a journey full of ups and downs, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals and maintain a healthy weight for life. So go ahead, take that first step towards a healthier, happier you.